Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page with extra puzzles. 4 extra puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved. The 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Binary in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, October the 5th, 2024. Alright. The Binary. Number 9387. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. All right. In a column or in a row, 5 O's or 5 and 5 ones. Okay. So let's get started. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So that's the ones. Then double ones. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So that's the ones. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Then double ones. Here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Then let me see. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this came in O, this should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this came in O, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. We still have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And double ones, here no, there no. Solved in 5 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.